What's the meaning of common? Common. Common.
Common. Common. The term common refers to something that is shared or occurs frequently among a group of individuals, objects, or circumstances. It can also indicate something that is widely known or accepted. The concept of common implies a sense of familiarity and general use, often found in everyday language and common practices. It is a term that helps to provide a sense of connection and understanding within a community or culture. Whether referring to common values, experiences, or interests, the idea of common is essential to human communication and interaction.